Today we're going to unpack and use this Japanese pre-packed and ready-to-use drip coffee maker. All in this little foil package. It's got everything we need, and let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so wow, smells pretty good. Looks kind of like a tea bag design, but it's designed in a way where we can zip open the top. Got some arrows here, so we'll zip open the top. Pull open the sides, and that goes over our cup. And we go ahead and pour some water in for some drip coffee. Oh, that didn't work very well. It's supposed to be good for 140 milliliters of water. Let's probably need a little more. So I guess the only hint here that I've got for you is we should hold on to these edges, these side flaps, so that the whole thing doesn't fall in. Looks pretty good. And there we have it. We've got our nice cup of joe.